Three things that you need to know when you're purchasing slab. Let's talk about Taj Mahal. It comes in polish, leather, hone, and it can have a variety of different kind of finish. For example, there's a polished one. That marble is already in a matte finish. When we talk about Cristalo, material that is going to be translucent, you can have a variety of different colors. It's not only white and gold. So we also have material with a grayish background, gold veins, and a lot of people ask if the material is translucent, and yes, it is. It is translucent. This one has a light behind, but naturally it is pink. It's not dyed. So talking about durability, about Cristalo, like some of the quartzite, the material can be so strong like this Cristalo. So as you can see, the material doesn't scratch, doesn't stain. It's going to be basically zero maintenance. So that applies to most of the quartzite in the market and all the Cristalos available. Oh, Techquartz. The materials actually, it's a printer on the top, the same idea what they do with the porcelain. So it has this natural look and it's easier to install, it's light, so you can use for wall panels as well. All those materials look even better in person, so come and visit us at the showroom in Deerfield Beach or visit us at stonemallusa.com.